Editing sentences practice B105. Get the best characters and action. Let's examine our sentence by reading it out. This new project will come as an extension to the existing relationship between the companies. So what verbs are in this sentence? What is the subject of this sentence, the person or thing doing the verb? Are there any verbs turned into nouns, which is not a good sign? Remember, to act as a verb in the sentence, it must actually be done. So now you try. Pause the video, then try to find out the information and write it down. When you've done, press play again and we'll go through it together. Let's go through it together. So what verbs are in this sentence? Well, will come. Yeah, I think that's our verb, isn't it? Will come or to come. What subject's in the sentence? What's doing the new verb? This new project. And are there any verbs that have been turned into nouns? Well, extension is also extends. Right, so that's not a good sign. Okay, now we're going to redo the sentence using the best characters and best actions we can find. What are the clearest characters to say what is happening? What are the clearest actions to say what is being done? So now you try it. Pause the video, then try to edit the sentence yourself. Work out what you think the clearest characters are and the clearest actions you are. When you've done that, press play and we'll go through it together. Let's go through it together. So what are the clearest characters? Well, in this case, we've got new project, or we've got the companies, or the relationship. The relationship will be extended. The relationship will, not that clear. The companies will have a new project. Not that clear. I think our best one is still the new project, but we're going to try it with companies later on too. So I think it's this new project. What is the action taking place? Well, at the moment we've got to come as an extension, but we've got this awful noun which is extension, which really means extends, and I think we can probably get rid of that by turning extension into extends. Extends the relationship. Right. I think that's what we've got. So let's try it like that. So we've got this new project extends, or maybe will extend. Let's try will extend the existing relationship between the companies. So that's our easiest one, and it's the easiest one because we've got rid of this awful verb to come, this awful abstract noun, this verb turned into a noun, an extension. Why not will extend? This new project will extend the existing relationship between the companies. Well, it's actually already extending it, isn't it? This new project extends. I suppose it depends whether the project started or not. Okay, let's keep exact. It might not have started yet. Okay, now we could try it the other way, with companies as our best character. The company's relationship will be extended by this new project. Okay, so or let's try a slightly better one. The companies will extend their existing relationship with this new project. Okay, I think you've got the will extend. We don't like this one. This is too complicated. The relationship will be extended. We've got our it's not very good, is it? It's difficult to follow. The relationship will be extended. The relationship is very abstract. The project is clear. The companies are clear. The company's relationship is too complicated a character. That's why we reject this one. The wrong character. Here, this new project, that's not a bad character. The companies, in some ways that's a better character. Right. But what's really happening is the project changes the relationship between the companies. Now, it all depends on context. So I think this is the best one. It's got extends rather than come. The project is what's changing things, not the companies. One last try. It's not bad. Maybe it's to do with context. I think this is easier. We've got extend, which makes it stronger. It's a stronger relationship. I think we can have strengthen as an even better extend the relationship, strengthen the relationship. Okay, let's read out what we had originally and our new one. This new project will come as an extension to the existing relationship between the companies. This new project will strengthen the existing relationship between the companies. So I think you can see that by getting rid of this verb turned into a noun and making it back into a verb again, and then working out maybe a better verb for this, strengthen rather than extend, that we've got a much clearer sentence here, a much clearer and more direct sentence. And we've got an alternative as well with companies, if we decide that the flow of the sentence makes sense by using companies rather than project. Okay, thank you very much. We've got the best characters and the best action and 2 choices. Thank you.